how it is. I hear brothers talking about shooting and killing and going home and chilling, fronting like a villain. Let me tell you something real, it's how the Mack feel. I ain't no criminal and represent no steal. I tell you one thing though, if you've been to walk slow, the Mack's on the earth to let you know. I'm on a mission from the kingdom of God, to do away with MCs representing them rhymes. Your MCs have been too bad, so where you go now, ice you're gonna wish you had. When you disappearing, it's my fault, cause it's time to put all the madness to a flying halt. And radio needs to be ashamed for pumping murder, murder, murder all up in our brain. I tell you now, Big Papa don't like it. Represent the truth when the Mack starts to mic it. I hope the subject don't turn you away, but the whole hip-hop generation need to pray. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? You can front now, but when God comes, you can't get strapped for when God comes. Cause you won't know how to act when God comes. Now we all established Craig Mack's new king, and the king for his people got to represent the right thing. Brothers in the ghetto stop genociding, cause the same boat we riding will do like the Poseidon. I watch the Earth's cheese line getting longer. I watch allegiance to Satan's armies getting stronger. I watch drugs and guns take control. I even watch how the devil took the black woman's soul. They ain't got respect no more. When you're on the camera, you ain't nothing but a ladies, you need to help out your man instead of fronting at the club with a drink in your hand. The black family is now prehistoric, and we don't need psychic healing from Dionne Warwick. We all need to be down on our knees, begging please, Lord help us shake this disease. And MCs don't take these rhymes for a joke. With Mack's pen is mightier than this water stroke. So take heed to the words that I sing, cause on Judgment Day every man must attend. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? You can front now, but when God comes, you can't get strapped for when God comes. Cause you won't know how to act when God comes. What you gonna do when God comes? You can front now, but when God comes, you can't get strapped for when God comes. Cause you won't know how to act when God comes. All black leaders are throwing on their war paint. I ain't seen a saint that might make me faint. How long can we sing that song knowing that the we're kicking brothers is dead wrong? And don't figure Mack knew to get started, cause I flip an old fat verse from Get Retarded. I'm talking from a veteran's chair, prepare MC's nightmare, audience no need to fear. Shape up, the Lord's about to strike. With thunderclaps that can turn day into night. With something similar to Gabriel's horn, the first flag is up, my tribe of Judah's now been worn. Peace the bad boy for bringing me here. People of the world presenting Mack this year. No need for fronting, his time has almost came, and the last rhyme you're hearing bears Craig Mack's name. What you gonna do when God comes? You can front now, but when God comes, you can't get strapped for when God comes. Then you won't know how to act when God comes. What you gonna do when God comes? Lord's about to come. You can front now, but when God comes, you can't get strapped for when God comes. God comes, you won't know how to act when the Lord comes.